Assalamualaikum and hi to our lecturer Muhammad Nur Hashim. We are from Faculty Technology Mechanical and Maintenance, subject of Bmma 1323 Engineering Design. In this presentation, we will talk about our project, which is Design Multi-Level Parking System. In this organization chart, I will introduce you my group member of this company of our project. So for Product Manager in Industrial Design is Muhammad Abiruddin bin Daud. Design Engineering Ahmad Syamil bin Ahmad Kamarul Helmi. Industrial Engineering Zulfikar Hakimi bin Zulkifli. Sales Marketing and Purchasing Rafiqah binti Izham Hadi. And Production and Manufacturing Engineering is me dan Hafiza binti Awan Khalid. So for introduction of this project, our project is Safe Park Global Parking. So I will introduce you what is Safe Park Global Parking. Safe Park Global Parking is an automated car parking facility developed with the concept of culture above ground, function underground. Car parking still a growing problem with increasing vehicle size in the luxury segment. This is especially true when bearing in mind the confined parking space in parking lot and cities. Our product multi-level parking system is basically an underground parking system that is specified for high-end apartment or condominium because, as we know, this kind of building has a limited space, especially for parking. A multi-level parking is essentially a building with number of floors or layers for the cars to be parked. The different levels are accessed through interior or exterior ramps. And automatic car parking has mechanized lifts which transport the car parking has to the different level at a certain position. These car parks need less building volume and less ground space and thus save on the cost of the building. So I will pass my for the next presenter. Thank you.
So, the objective of this project is, the goal of this project is to create the user-friendly and adaptable system that can be implemented in large multi-level parking garage in order to alleviate parking hassle. The ultimate goal is that the idea and planning demonstrated through this system can then be easily upgraded to an actual parking facility. The purpose of the development of multi-level parking system is to eliminate unnecessary frustration driver experience as they waste priceless minute circling parking garage looking for the optimal parking spot. In addition, we are designing the entrance of the multi-level parking system to ease people to park their cars safely without entering the building. Parking garage equipped with the development of multi-level parking system will have an interface at the entrance of the parking garage that allow the driver to choose their parking spot.
I will present about the problem statement. Problem statement: having experienced the frustration of needlessly circling large multi-level parking garage, searching for an open spot and the additional irritation involved in locating that same spot upon return to the garage, I felt a solution was needed. After all, with urban population on the rise across the country, cities have found the need to expand either outward or upward, and as seen by such building, it seems the preferred choice upward rather than outward. This trend seems to have spread to parking garage as well. In fact, the latest parking garage consists of as many as 20 floors of circular, winding roadway designed to confuse and intimidate the average driver. I believe I could use my engineering knowledge and modern technology to design a simple and feasible solution for this growing problem.
So for the problem solution, this is why parking with us is a good idea, because we have employed a cashless approach to decrease the amount of face-to-face interaction with the general people, and this will make the situation safe during this pandemic time, and also we also make the car parking roof and ventilated to keep the car safe from the unpredictable weather. It has a built-in security system that includes CCTV cameras that are monitored by security, as well as security guarding the parking system. And it is open to public 24 hours, 7 days a week. Therefore, anyone can park here.
The advantage of multi-level parking is A is save time and space. Save time and space. A typical parking garage is constructed to allow car enough room to safely circulate in both directions and back out of parking space. In an automated garage, this circulation space is not required, and neither is space to open car doors. This helps developers better utilize the space that would normally be used for cars and people to move around, and allows more storage space for vehicle in that space using single deep or double deep storage configuration. Okay. B is lower operation, construction and cost. Pallet automated garage allow developers to save on construction costs through reduced excavation, reduced construction time, and lower end cost. A large potential operation saving is in valet or operator salaries, insurance, HR, hiring, and benefit costs, since they are typically not required in an automated garage. Lower ventilation costs are achievable due to the reduced requirement of only 2 air changes per hour for automated parking system, since there are no or very few light required during normal system operation. Lighting costs are insignificant, which can do also provide significant cost saving. Reduced insurance premiums are also achievable due to cars being stored within a locked garage with no access to user or unauthorized personnel, making it virtually impossible to vandalize or steal from the cars stored within the garage. Okay, that's all for me. I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
So the next advantage is decrease environmental impact. Anyone who has driven through a public parking garage know how time consuming and difficult it can be to find an open parking space. Driving up floor, seeking a vacant spot, or the sight of someone pulling out of a space. We have all been there, but have you considered the negative impact this can have on the environment? This environmental impact comes in the form of continuous exhaust emissions. With an automated parking garage, cars are tuned off before they enter the system, so the engine are not running while the car is being stored and retrieved, reducing the amount of pollutant 60 to 80%. And the last advantage is increased customer satisfaction. Users of automated garage always park and retrieve their car in wheeled, comfortable transfer areas. Since these are the only areas the user interact with an automated garage, it is relatively inexpensive for developers to create a luxury experience for users. Implementing sleek touch screen and user-friendly mobile apps for the quickly retrieval of vehicle can make for a comfortable and memorable user experience that they will be willing to pay for. With the United States anticipating at least 293.6 million motor vehicles on the road by 2021, parking will continue to be a challenge. With automation, developers across all industry can confidently handle any volume of cars within a given space, and drivers will not need to spend time looking for parking and rest assured their car is safely stored within a reliable system.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I would like to explain about the user guideline. So the first one is the customer must bring the car to the front of the conveyor system and manually hoist it onto the conveyor system. After that, the customer must put the gear into N, and the customer must get out of the car and pick up an access card containing a code for the parking system. After that, payment can be made cashless or cash. And next, when the customer want to take the car, the customer has to put the access card on the sensor. So this is our 3D drawing for our actual design. As you guys can see, we have 5 picture. And the first picture is left view, and the second picture is rear view, and the third picture is isometric view, and the fourth picture is right view, and the last one is top view. So this is the detailed drawing with the dimension. So we have 3 type of picture. No, actually 3 view for the design drawing, which is top view, left view, and the rear view.
For the conclusion, parking garage that automatically store and collect automobile are emerging as potential solution to parking issue. They are, however, sophisticated system, and there have been some serious events using such garage. Many of these are related to software and customized safety consideration. Verification approach are used to build a software design for an automated parking garage. This design satisfies a plethora of safety standard. We give an architecture that allow you to separate and apply safety factor with organized parking feature that appeal to a wide range of seasonal and everyday public user. As a result, we present a high-level overview of the safety aspect and validated additional feature to enable all-around automated multi-level parking. Thank you.